Hey GPT, I just want to practice some like Python concept with you. So are you ready to practice?
Absolutely. I'd love to help you practice Python. What kind of concepts are you thinking about? Like loops, functions, data structures, maybe something else?
Basically, you have to ask me the questions, and I will try to answer of like every question.
Got it. That sounds like a great plan. Let's keep it varied. Here's the first question. Can you explain how a for loop works in Python and give me a simple example?
Yeah, for loop. In the for loop, we use the range function where we define the range like from where to where we can go, and it basically kind of defining things like you manually define that from where to where you want to go. So I can say it basically iterate over the iterable. So and we can also make a here like sort program like for I in range 10, then print I, then we will get all the values from 0 to 9.
Exactly. That's a great explanation. Awesome. If you're ready, I can. Yeah, absolutely. Great. Here's the next one. Sure. Can you
Yeah,
explain?
dictionary is a data structure that stores the values in key value pairs, and our key always like it should be unique. Our key should be unique. So we use a dictionary, and it uses curly brackets to store the data, and we can also it is a like ordered collection of the data, and we can also get the things like values of the dictionary easily by writing the key of that value.
Perfect. That great. You're on a roll. Exactly. You're welcome. If you'd like another one, absolutely. Here's another one.
Yeah, lambda
Sure.
function is anonymous or a small function that uses the lambda keyword, and it is basically used to do some like mathematic things. Like you are using map function and filter function, then you can use your lambda function, and it is basically I can say it is used for mathematical things like most of the time I have seen.
That's a solid. Exactly. And just to build on that, yeah, sure. So just to add, exactly. Lambda functions are super handy. Absolutely. They keep your code exactly. And they're especially useful when you
You can ask
exactly.
me another question.
Of course. All right. Can you explain what a list?
So list comprehension it's a quick way to make a list like you are doing something like for I in range, and then you are like squaring the like from 1 to 10, so you have to define in the range function, then you can write x asterisk 2 times then 2, then easily you can get the square of the numbers.
Exactly. Yeah, that's